Are you thinking about making a move to Greensboro, North Carolina, and want to know all there is to know about a great golfing community right here in Greensboro? If you are, then today you're going to want to check out this video. My name is Meredith Parsons. I'm a realtor. I live here and love it here. I want you to move here and love it here as much as I do. And if you do this, it'd be so awesome. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because each week I'm going to be taking a little tour, a little adventure of all things Greensboro Triad area, and I wouldn't want you to miss out. You ready to go check out this amazing golfing community? Let's go. We are here today in the neighborhood of Carlson Farms, and we are located in the northwest section of Greensboro. We are still in Guilford County. The zip code's 27410, and this neighborhood was started going back, it was like from the 60s to the last house being built in 2011. There is a golf course here, and so this golf course is attached to the Greensboro Country Club. If you've seen that, want to check out that video that I did of that neighborhood, that is Old Irving Park. That's where that golf course is. So what I like about this is that you can get around. You're a little bit further out, but you're not like so far out that you feel like you can't get anywhere fast. Because you're right here, you're right off of 220, and the loop's like probably 5 minutes away. And this neighborhood, what I like, they're bigger houses on bigger lots, and it just feels really open. There's no sidewalks out here, but you've got the big trees that I like. It's like a well-maintained neighborhood. Everyone's out working on their yards. I can hear that going. No trash cans, but people are out working in their yard. So I do love that. Let's talk house pricing. The average house price here is $638,000. They range in price. Hi, how are you? Between $525,000 to $800,000. That's going back a year. It's July of 2025. So giving you the size of the house, they range between 3,100 to 5,600 square feet, with the average being 4,400 square feet. The average house price is $144 a square foot. Like I said, the lots are bigger. They range between like 3/4 of an acre up to like an acre and a half. So that's about the size lot that you're getting. With that, you're getting, because some of those built like in the 60s are smaller houses. They're gonna be 3 bedrooms. They're usually 3 or 4. But with that out here, as you know, if you've been on septic, they're gonna say 4 bedrooms, but really there's gonna be extra spaces in the house, like a bonus, maybe an extra room on top of that, because these are bigger houses. The septic is based on how many people are living in the home. So just food for thought. It's usually 3 to 4 bath and 2 to 3 car garages. There is no HOA out here, which is fantastic and hard to believe if you're in a community that has a golf course. But let's go this way. Doing yard work up there. But funnily enough, in this neighborhood, when pulling the taxes, some of them are doing county taxes, which is 0.9. Some are doing city taxes, which is 1.4%. So my little adage of being within the loop is usually city taxes. It's not really true, because some of these, when I pulled their tax cards, are actually in the city, which is crazy because we're on the north side of the loop. So let's talk amenities. So you do obviously have to pay to be a member here, but with it you get the 2 golf courses. You get the one in Old Irving Park, and then you get the one out here. They just call it the farm, the people that golf, that are members. But so they've got indoor courts, which are great. It's been a long time since I played tennis here, but they do have tennis courts. I am certain they have pickleball courts now. And they've got a pool, they have a clubhouse. So like the typical things that come with being a member. I don't know the price. You're gonna have to call and find out how much that costs. But if you didn't want to be a member here, the good thing is Burmill Park is like 7 minutes away. They have a public pool there. You can pay to do that. They have a small golf course there. So you don't have to be married to this being like a golfing community and paying the steep price of, I shouldn't say steep. It is expensive to play golf, because if you do, you know. So that's just something to think of. And also the other green spaces around, you're sandwiched in between Lake Higgins and Lake Brant. So if you're looking for watery sports or hiking around those lakes, that's just right here. So that's pretty great. And like I said before about being close to everything, Battlegrounds is just right here. So your shopping is just right here. It's like 5 minutes away. Friendly Center is about 14 minutes away, so you've got that. And then in terms of restaurants, you've got tons of stuff right here. And the schools that you would be slotted for are Summerfield Elementary, Coronado Middle, and then Northwest High School. So I hope that you have learned all that you wanted to learn about the awesome neighborhood of Carlson Farms. If you have any questions, comments, you want to see something else, put them in the comments below. I appreciate you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.